Be humble could be interpreted as, aw, shucks, I'm not that great at something. I could interpret that as humble. I don't want you to be, aw, shucks, I'm not that great. I want you to be, I'm the best in the world at this. What I want you to do is just not talk about it at all, right? Humble would be to talk about it at a lower level, at least in my interpretation, but I'm not a linguistics professor, right? My interpretation of humble is I'm gonna kind of dumb down or temper down me talking about myself. What I'm telling you to do, focus the conversation entirely on them. Right? And when they say, hey, you had mentioned based on your experience, can you walk me through your experience? Yeah, absolutely. Can you give me a specific example of what you're looking to hear? Well, have you worked with other financial startup companies? Yes, I have. JP Morgan, Northern Trust, worked with the team as they launched Seed Capital. Oh my God, you were with the Seed Capital people? Yeah, absolutely. Do you know Thomas? Yes, I do. Right? And not going into a whole, I'm keeping the conversation focused on that person in front of me. People love that. Small talk is a great way, and talking about other people and name dropping is a great way for you to have a conversation. Focusing the conversation strictly on them is a great way for you to build an actual sales relationship that's going to close. Avoid the name, and it's so hard because we all want to name drop and we all want to say I did that, and we all want to say I was there too. When they figure it out all by themselves, it's just that much better. Hey, it's Matt Easton, founder of Easton University, the most effective sales coaching system in the world. If you like this video and you want to learn how to close, I want to give you my closing mini masterclass for free. Click the link somewhere around here or just simply comment with the word closer and I will get you access to the closing mini masterclass. I'll cover the $299 cost for you. It's free to you.